This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make tiramisu at home easily. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, including mascarpone cheese, eggs, and a good quality espresso. We'll then prepare the essential coffee and egg yolk mixture, ensuring it's perfectly smooth. Next, we'll layer the ladyfingers and cream, building that classic tiramisu structure. Finally, chilling is key for the flavors to develop beautifully, so plan for at least 4 hours in the refrigerator. Let's start with the core components. Begin by brewing a strong espresso or coffee and set it aside to cool completely. Next, in a bowl, whisk your egg yolks with granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale and thick, almost like a ribbon. Then, carefully fold in the mascarpone cheese until just combined. For an extra light texture, whip some heavy cream to soft peaks and gently incorporate it into your mascarpone mixture. Now for the fun part, assembly. Take each ladyfinger and quickly dip it into the cooled coffee mixture. Be careful not to oversoak them, or your tiramisu will be soggy. Arrange a single, even layer of these coffee-soaked ladyfingers in the bottom of your serving dish. Next, spread about half of your delicious mascarpone cream evenly over this layer. Repeat these steps, creating a second layer, and finish with a generous, smooth top layer of cream. Once your tiramisu is assembled, cover the dish tightly with plastic wrap. This is crucial to prevent it from absorbing any refrigerator odors. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, but for the best flavor and texture, chilling it overnight is highly recommended. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder. Then, simply slice into your beautiful creation and enjoy your perfectly set, homemade tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.